Yo, what's poppin'? Song that's playing for you, what you see is what you get. Alright? So you may be in a situation and you realizing you got all you could get out of a situation. You may have been expecting more, so you thought you may have gained more emotional. Whether someone brought you their emotions, the time right now is 4:44 by the way. Oh shit. Whether someone brought you their emotions and you thought there was more to this. You thought once upon a time it made you feel me, it made you feel. You felt fulfilled in some way, shape, or form. But now it's like fast forward, you realize that what someone brought you was all they had to bring you. You feel me? And now the situation's played out. It's like you ain't happy in something no more, or you're not happy or satisfied in the space you were once happy or satisfied in. Something that made you happy don't make you happy no more, or something that made you emotionally fulfilled don't make you don't feel the same way about the space you're in anymore. See, look, something brings you different feelings now because you realize that's all there was to something. There wasn't more to anything. Now you may not be expressing yourself in regards to a space anymore because you no longer feel for that space. So why would I be open to new feelings and new forms of expression to a space I don't even want to open up to anymore? Or it's either you not opening up to something, or you are opening up to something, but you ain't opening up in the right type of way. You feel me? You may be trying to go about something and you trying to emotionally manipulate or use your emotions to control something instead of using true emotions. Yeah, just using, because the Page of Cups upright is like, yeah, you taking emotional action. It may not be a well thought out plan. You ain't really think it through all the way, but you're taking some sort of action, new action, the first step. You feel me? But now it's like you either not taking that emotional action towards something anymore because something doesn't make you feel good. You fell out of love with something, or the emotions you are bringing something ain't the greatest because you don't feel good about something. So you like what you see is what you get. You could be like what you see is what you get from somebody because somebody looking at you differently because what you giving them. The offerings of them, but you ain't giving somebody the same sweet Leo, the same sweet lion somebody used to be fucking with. You feel me? Whether you withdrew your emotions or you just stopped expressing emotions. Look, because you out your head now in regards to a situation you invested your time into. You look what's back on the bottom. You're not in love with this space no more. I don't like this job. I don't like this person, these people, these passions, these hobbies. Whatever it is for you, middle child. See, you might have been in between, or you felt like you were stuck in between two things. But you no longer stuck in between two things no more. You don't want to bring balance to a situation no more. Because balance can't be brought. Look, in regard, because you did something, whether you exchanged emotions or it's like you did something, you expressed yourself to the wrong thing. And now it's either you no longer expressing yourself to the wrong thing because you out your head about that. It's like you out your head about a decision you made or an action you took, something you expressed. And now you no longer expressing yourself in an immature type way. You no longer expressing yourself to someone outside of you or just in a space period. You no longer involving your emotions in a certain space. Or now that you out your head in regards to this space, you may be being toxic towards that space. First card out. Whether it's because something ended with you or this is you ending something. Because if someone outside of you is playing the death role, it's like someone brought death to something. Whether it's your partner broke up with you or you and your partner separated because look, what's back again? Ain't no love. It's a no love scenario. You guys may be together. You may be investing yourself with your friends. You may be investing yourself with your family. You may be investing yourself with this space, but ain't no love there. It ain't real. Shit don't make you feel. So then you out your head in regards to that shit. Because it's either you're out your head because something ended. It's like an unwarranted ending pulled you out of your head in regards to how you express your emotions. Or it pulls you out of your head, and now the way you expressing your emotions is different. An ending changed you, whether it's it's external to you. So whether like two family members fell out, your parents, had a separation of some sort, it's some sort of external death. One of your co-workers got fired, and you was cool with that co-worker. You gonna have to let me know what the death is, or you brought a situation to death. Shit, somebody outside of you could have actually passed, and that changed how you feel. You feel me? It forced an emotional shift inside of you. I'm gonna give them something they can feel. You got something you could feel, and what you felt pulled you out made you get up out your head in regards to how you feel about something. Now you no longer feel about something, or you not feeling about something no more. You feel me? You don't feel the same way you used to feel about something no more. Because of an ending of some sort. Yeah, it's like an ending that puts you on, it's like something puts you on straight. Something puts you on straight. What it is, you're going to have to let me know for you, Leo. But, see, I was trying to work through it. Excuse me. Yeah, but whatever ended in your life is, it puts you on the path to like, it's like get your groove back. Or someone, if this is you versus someone outside of you, it's like someone ended something with you or just ended a situation, period. Look, someone walked away from something, brought a death to something toxic. No more devil. Whether it was mentalities, habits, friends, associates, whatever it was. And it's like that death put someone on the path to go in a new direction, or because someone was going in a new direction, someone ended something, ended a space with Leo, or just Leo knows someone external to them that ended a situation with external things to that space. You feel me? So like one of your friends or one of your family members ending a situation with a longtime friend or another longtime family member. You feel me? And that ending put Leo in the space to change. The song that's playing for you is Stay. You may want someone to stay, or or someone wants you to stay. It's like you may be out your, because I'm getting the sense you may want someone to stay in your space or continue to invest time and energy into a space because you know how you feel now. Because you no longer invested, like you no longer expressing yourself immaturely in any way, shape, or form. You may be defensive to people, places, and things outside of you, and you may be fixed with some enlightenment because you ended something. You feel me? It's like you ended something because you couldn't not see something. You're going to have to let me know what it is for you, though. It's like you couldn't ignore something anymore. Tower, something ended. You got death and a tower out here. Look, Leo, something transformed in your life. And that's regarding you and how back in the day you might have been confused in regards to your emotions. You felt left out of something, or you left someone out of a situation with you, and a whole lot of secrets came out about something. You don't have to let me know though. I can't tell you how you feel me. You gotta put your foot in the shoe that feel, fill in the pockets. Fill in the pockets with your mentality, Leo. You already thinking while you watching this because you know what it is. You dig. But King of Wands in reverse. You're not passionate about something no more. Damn, that song fast. You may be dealing with a Libra. You don't gotta be sweet lady. It's a song that's playing for you. See, look, I'm telling you, whether you want someone to stay, it's like someone's feminine energy, male or female, is sweet to you, Leo. And it's like you out your head and you no longer expressing yourself immaturely in regards to how you feel, or you just not expressing yourself to something external to you. though you are out your head. It's like you're no longer participating how you used to. Or you just out your head and you may be participating how you not supposed to be participating. You're going to have to, again, put your foot in the shoe that fits you. Whether you still in a space you don't want to be in, and now you being, it's like you, now that you're out your head, because you gained some sort of clarity in regards to your emotion, because something ended with someone outside of you, like a friend ended a situation, and like a shakeup happened in someone else's life outside of you that was an example to you that made you change, or you ended something with someone, or someone ended something with you. You feel me? Well, something woke you up though. And now a tower is occurring regarding something you used to be passionate about that really didn't have you. It's like if you were passionate about something that wasn't even real for you or good for you per se. Shit, you may be looking at something, cause sweet lady, oh shit, love you. You feel me? That may be the sweet lady. Whatever that is for you. You had a conflict though in regards to what it is you are passionate about. And how you want to handle something. You know what to be defensive towards. You know who to be defensive towards because something ended. Whether it was partnerships, friendships. If someone actually died, then you know, rip. But I'm telling you, it's a no love situation. At the end, the lovers came back. You don't have to let me know though. I'm gonna fuck with you.